Here we go. Let's start off our fresh week with trader Dan Deming at KKM Financial. And boy, the market hitting record highs again on Friday. How much of that had to do with the jobs report, Dan?
Well, I think the leg up Friday, a lot had to do with the jobs report as we continue to see, some positive data points in the market, and the momentum continues to, carry forward to the upside as we're seeing, again, rates kind of moderating once again after the rate decision this week. So, the upward momentum continues to be a force here. We're seeing buyers on any type of weakness in the markets, Angie. So I think it's setting up to be a positive end of the year.
What are you watching for in the market this week?
This week, inflation data, CPI, PPI in the middle of the week, I think is going to be very important as this market continues to wrestle with that theme, even though the Fed seems to, be not overly concerned with it at this point. We're winding down earnings, so I think that that's not going to have too significant of an impact, Angie. But ultimately, just the momentum, as we continue to see this upward trajectory in all the major averages. Are we going to be able to maintain these levels with some of the data coming out this week, particularly in the inflation front?
Well, that's encouraging to hear. How much has your trading changed now that you know that the Fed is going to taper?
Not really, not at this point, Angie, because the reaction in the interest rate market was fairly muted. I mean, I think if you were to see the 10-year really spike higher, that that would change the dynamics for sure. But overall, you're seeing these seasonal patterns continuing to maintain in the equity markets, Angie. And what I mean by that, you're seeing the small caps, kind of outpacing the large caps. We're seeing tech catching a bid now with interest rates moderating after the Fed announcement. So I don't really foresee, anything in this point that's going to disrupt the current patterns in the market unless we get maybe an outlier inflation number or two this week, which shifts the dynamics within the interest rate market. And therefore, we could see that impact the equity markets.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great trading week.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.